So here I am on one of my personal favorite templates for Diva Lash. So I'm going to show you in this video how buttons work. So if we go through this site, you can see here, this may just look like text, but this is actually a button. You can see here. Here's another one here. And here's one here. So they may look a little different, but all of these are buttons and they're really cool because you can connect them to different things on your site and even off your site. So that's what I want to show you here. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to add a button. It's pretty easy. Come in here to your buttons. Most of these are not going to kind of fit in with your theme. So you can see here, once that button's on your site, you can go through and design it, customize the background fill, the text, the borders, everything. So I would suggest, though, just like I showed you with duplicating text, if you want to add another button, I would find somewhere on your site that is the same look that the button you want to add. And I would simply come in, let's go ahead and do this one, and just copy it and then paste it wherever you want it on your site. And then you can go through and add the link. So what I really want to show you is, again, you can go through here and figure out how you want to edit that. You can come in here and um, make the text aligned wherever you want it. So a lot of these are going to, editing features are going to be the same that you would have for text, that type of thing. You can kind of come in here and play around with that. But I want to show you what's most important, and that is how these link to different things. So if we come in here and we click on this linked section, actually, I'm going to show you something really cool. So this is going to take you to that eyelash extensions page. So you can have no link, which I don't know why you'd have a button with no link. But probably one of the main features you're going to use is linking it to a specific page. So you can bring those down here. You can also link it to a web address. So you just copy and paste that URL in here. You can have it show up in a current window or a new window. This is really cool. I'm going to show you this on another page, section or anchor. You can have this link to the top or bottom of the page. So if you have a really long website page, you can always have a, go to top button and connect that. You can connect it to an email, a phone number, a light box, which I'm going to show you in a second. And you can also have a document. So let's say you do have a beauty business, eyelash business, any kind of business that maybe you need to give some people some type of information. You might want to have some type of a PDF or something that they can download. So that's kind of cool. I'm going to go ahead and put that back to that eyelash extension. So I'm going to show you that light box and the section. So I brought up this site in particular because I do use this function on my classes page. So you'll notice here, if we go into this button and you click, it does go to a section. So it goes to this page and it links to the section eyelashes. So how does it know that section is called eyelashes? Well, because I named it eyelash. So you can see here, I named that eyelashes. I named this makeup, and I named this eyebrows. So when you come in here and you link that to that section, let me show you what it does. So on the live site, if we click here, it's going to take us right to that eyelash classes. If we click here, it's going to take us right to that makeup classes. If we click here, it's going to take us to those eyebrow classes. So if we go back to our home page, this is kind of cool too. You'll notice at the bottom here where I have my list of classes, I've actually linked this to a section on that actual page. So you can link it to a section on a separate page. So right here, I want it to be on classes and I want it to go to eyelashes. So let me show you how that looks. Sorry. So if we go here and we click on permanent makeup, it's going to take us to that page and then right down to that class. So that's kind of cool. So let me go back to my site here that has the light menu. So same thing you can see right here. We've linked this to that light box so that when we click on that, it brings up that light box. So you can use buttons in a lot of different ways. They're really handy on your site, and hopefully now you're really comfortable and confident using buttons how you need them on your new website.